Here is how to remove an email account from Outlook. Hello everyone, welcome back to app tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how you can remove an email account from Outlook. So let's start. First of all, open Outlook. Then after, go to File on the top left side. Now you will find this account settings option. Click on it. Then after, go to account settings. Now you will get the list of all the emails that you have added in Outlook in this box. Select the email that you want to remove. After you select that particular email, you will get this remove option. Click on it. As you can see, deleting your email account will delete all your mails, contacts and other data. So make sure you have already done the backup. As you click on remove, you will get the notification pop up to confirm deleting your email address. Click on yes and your email address will be successfully removed. So in this way, you can easily remove an email account from Outlook. That's it for the video. Make sure to leave a like if you found this helpful and subscribe to the channel for further videos.